Continuing with our overview, let's select the sex disaggregation and add in both male and female to the chart. Adding in disaggregations results in a contextual menu appearing. This allows us to add an item to the category, series, or filter, respectively. In this first example, we will add it to our filter. From here, we will see how we can reorganize items in our layout. As the layout remains at the top of the chart, we are now able to dynamically alter the layout without being taken to an additional menu. Let us move the disaggregation, in this case we have selected sex, to the category. After we alter our layout, we can update the chart to see the new result. We may want to alter this chart's presentation to add in titles. We can still access these types of additional items using the Options button. If we compare this to the Options dialog in the previous Visualizer app, we can see that items have been moved around slightly. We now have three sections: Data, Axes and Legend, and Style. These take the individual options that were previously under those headings and group them together into these sections. We can add in titles to the chart by using the Axes and Legend section of the chart options. Now that we have finalized our chart, we may want to add a bit of context, save it, or download it to our computer. In the new Visualizer app, the Favorites button has been replaced with a File button. The functionality here remains the same, with the majority of options being shared across the new and previous Visualizer application. Let us quickly save the chart and add a description. With the chart saved, we can now also add in additional interpretations. This option is grayed out until the chart is saved. This is because if the chart is not saved, then there is nowhere to save the interpretations to. The design of the Interpretations panel has changed slightly, however its overall functionality remains the same. We see a Details pane, which takes the details I have added when saving the chart and displays them, as well as an Interpretations panel. In the Interpretations panel, I can add additional interpretations to the chart. Just like before, it saves the view of the chart in which the interpretation was made, in order to closely tie the interpretation to the specific view of the chart at the time that the interpretation was created. In this second overview, we discussed updated elements for adding disaggregations, modifying chart options, the File menu, and the Interpretations panel. This functionality has been brought over from the previous application with a number of new interfaces in the new Data Visualizer app. In the third overview, we will discuss two new chart types: the year-over-year column and line chart.